During World War II for the Germans, they started making military guns, and then after the war, it was strictly civilian-type guns. What year do you think it is? 1780s. Let's take a look at it. I grab my glasses here. Right here, let me see if I can find it. 1660. Okay, and that's the date mark. Second number is the month. Next two is the year. So, your rifle was made June 1969. 1969. Yes. And this one was used a lot. This was probably the best. I don't buy new guns. I don't buy modern firearms, and that's what this is. I deal in antiques. When I buy a gun, it has to be 1898 back. So it's not for me. But thanks for bringing it in. I'll just hang it back up over the fireplace. Okay. Have a nice day. You too. Thank you. I don't know where I get all this weird information in my head. I really don't. How's it going, Pops? Top of the day to you. Whoa. What's with the amazing attire here? What do you mean? I like the look. I wear cowboy boots. I'm rubbing off on you, obviously. You guys look absolutely great. But sometimes you gotta play a part. We just went and checked out a bunch of Tammy Tucker stuff. Let's say it's karaoke night.
And I would like to sell it in order to raise money for a non-profit organization that deals with housing.
This is interesting. Where'd you get it?
I got it from my dad. He had a small little bookstore.
Okay. Yeah, John Adams. He was